Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to turn off this sign on now, how you can do that on your BandLab app. So all you have to do, you just go up of this photo in app, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go up of this sign settings here, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You just switch into open video here. So just waiting, usually it's going to take a time with you here to open. Then you click here on collaborations here, and you come here to a user invites me to collaborate on a project. You click in this sun or this color, like you see color, it's going to be turn off now. Can you turn off it for email too? That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like